Hello, I'm Lucy from Kitchen Zap. Today we're going to talk about bubble tea. There's a reason why bubble tea is so popular. It's delicious, fun to drink, and the perfect way to cool off in warm weather. But it can be hard to find a good bubble tea shop in every city or town. And even when you do find one, you may not like their selection of flavors. Such is life. Fortunately, there are many recipes for homemade bubble tea flavors that you can make at home without much fuss. These recipes are both satisfying and super easy to make. Here are some of the most popular homemade bubble tea flavors that you should try this summer. What is bubble tea? Bubble tea, often called boba tea, is a dessert beverage containing flavored tea and tapioca balls. These tapioca balls, often referred to as tapioca pearls, can be replaced with any sort of gummy. Because tea is so versatile, there are thousands of easy bubble tea recipes to try in nearly every flavor you can imagine. The recipes for bubble tea we provide are easy to follow and fun to make. Enjoy! How bubble tea is made. Bubble tea is easy to make. It consists of a tea base made from any flavor. Milk is often added, along with any fruit or juices. These are all blended to a thick consistency and tapioca balls, or other gummies, are added. These are often referred to as bubbles. Bubble tea is eaten with a large straw to make it easier to munch on the delicious tapioca pearls. It is a refreshing and sweet treat for any occasion. History of bubble tea. While both tapioca balls and milk tea were popular treats in early Taiwan, it wasn't until their introduction to America in the mid-1980s that they were combined. As bubble tea became more popular, fans of the drink began to experiment with flavors. Fruit juices and unique flavors were added to create the seemingly limitless bubble tea we know and love today. Where does bubble tea come from? Bubble tea is popularly thought of to be a Taiwanese drink, but it was created in America. The individual components, that is the milk tea and the tapioca balls, are traditional Taiwanese foods. Bubble tea often contains shaved ice to give the drink more texture, which originated in America. Bubble tea is a product of both Taiwan and the USA. What you need to make bubble tea at home. Together, we will find the best recipe for bubble tea. All our delicious flavor choices make easy bubble tea recipes that you will love. How to make homemade bubble tea. Making bubble tea at home is easy with our step-by-step instructions. Most bubble tea recipes start with a tea base added to milk and shaved ice. Sometimes fruit or other flavorings added before topping the sweet treat with delicious tapioca balls. Nearly any tea or milk substitute can be used to make bubble tea, and people have gotten very creative with their flavors. The same can be said for tapioca balls. Although tapioca was the original way to create this bubbled drink, they are often substituted for other gummies. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.